Okay, so here it is, the GoPro Hero 10. If you're like me, you just rushed to Best Buy, bought it, did an unboxing video, and uploaded the video in the parking lot of Best Buy just to try to get your video out sooner than others. And the first thing you have to do is update your GoPro Hero 10. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how to update your Hero 10. Let's get into it. Alright, first we're going to open the box. We are going to remove the Hero camera itself. The battery is already in it. I did put a memory card in there as well. You have to have a memory card. So let's power it up. English. Agree with your legal stuff. GPS can be on. Your GoPro must be updated before you can use it. Leave it on and start the GoPro Quick app and pair and continue. So let's go find the GoPro app on my phone here. Let's open the Quick app. Yes, I have a GoPro. Pair my GoPro. Connect a camera while using the app. Turn on my Bluetooth. Searching for camera. Connect. Dang. Pair. We found your GoPro Hero 10 Black. Leave it. Continue. Update camera. Connect. Accept. Transferring update to your camera. So first apparently it downloads it to your phone, then once the app has it, the app transfers it to the camera. Installing update. It's blinking. It's shut off. Oh, it's turning back on. Update complete. Yay! Insert crowd noise here. And it shut off again. But I don't want to touch it because it says be sure to leave your camera on and don't leave the app. Your GoPro will power off and on a few times. Oh, it's coming back on. And we actually get to see the screen. Now the app still says installing update, but since we do have access, we might as well check out the menus here. Oh, it's not giving us too much. Let's see here. Da-da-dum-da-dum. Looks like we're still going to have the standard GoPro screen issues. Wide, linear, super view, and we finally got an update complete. Got it. So that's how, using the app, you update your GoPro Hero 10 when it first comes straight out the box. It's a very nice looking camera. It's replaying back something I didn't even know I was recording. Anyway, I hope this video helps you get through the update process of your Hero 10 Black. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.